This is pretty cool. Hello everyone, welcome to RC Driven. My name is David, and today we'll be unboxing something from Losi. Something I've always wanted, so I finally pulled the trigger and picked one up. I'm gonna go ahead and open it now so you guys can see what it is. So here it is. Yep, the Megalodon. I've wanted this truck for a while. I really did. I think it's actually pretty cool. The fact that they have an actual monster truck that looks like a shark. I mean, that is the shape of a shark, I should say. There you have it. Man, this is pretty cool. Oh, this is cool. I really like this. This is really, really cool. I really like this. Honestly, I should have gotten this sooner. I don't know why I held on to it for so long. Man, this thing is awesome. Let's see what else comes in here. You have your usual SLT2 remote. You got your charger. And that's really it. You got your manual and a battery. So yeah, this includes your Losi truck Spectrum remote AA batteries. Oh, it does come with a battery. Where's the battery? So I need to take this body off. So you have your top and bottom, and then you have your two sides you have to do before this body can pop off. And there we go. There you go. Oh yeah, so there's the battery. That is pretty cool. Comes with everything you need. There we go. All right, so just a quick, I guess, update what's been going on. So I've been fighting with this for a good 30 minutes now. I just didn't want to bind to this, and then I didn't want to work with the original controller. Like nothing wanted to work. But when I turned it on, the ESC would flash red. Couldn't understand why. It's a brand new truck. Just unboxed it, but this is dead. Luckily, I have another one, so I'm just gonna drop this in. Okay. Oh, okay. That was awesome. That's pretty cool. Let's try that again. Let's see if we can do it again. Let's see. Got it. Man, this thing has a lot of power. It has a good amount of power. I wouldn't even go brushless with this thing. Come on, one more. Just give me one more flip. One more flip, and we're done. One. All right, 1, 2, 3. Hey! That's a pretty cool truck. All right, so guys, you saw it on the table. I'm looking forward to actually take it out in my living room, put a few of these courses up, and see what tricks I can do with this. And let's see, just hit the jumps. Ooh, that was cool. It'd be like, wee. Let's do this. There we go. scratched up the nose a bit. That's what I mean by like the scale. I'm able to race with it at the track as you saw, and then also bring it home, put a couple of the small proline ramps, and I'm hitting ramps inside the house, you know. Just make sure your wife is okay with it. I mean, it doesn't really cause much damage, honestly, but you know, but it can. I'm not saying it can't. I'm not saying it can't. It can. It could definitely, if you hit your wall or anything, it can definitely mark your wall. You know, it's fast enough to do that, and big enough to do that. So you can definitely have fun with these indoors. That's all I have for you guys for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye.